Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to open the petrol tap in standard carburetor in pocket bikes or dirt bikes. Also the carburetor comes in mini quads. So step by step what you need to do. For example, if your petrol tap is leaking fuel just here, or it's blocked inside. In one of my video I have shown you how to check if the blockage is here in the petrol tap, and now I'm gonna show you how to open it, clean it and properly assemble it. So let's start. First I will remove the carburetor from the bike to show you clearly what I'm doing. Okay, so here we have carburetor outside, and we're gonna be opening the petrol tap, which holds these two little screws. So you need to unscrew these screws. Now here is how it looks like inside. So here is one washer, black washer on it, and there is a washer like that, black washer, and a cap. Inside we have a rubber. You have to be careful while pulling the rubber out to do not damage it. Here is the rubber. The rubber have 4 little holes. So if your carburetor is if your petrol tap is blocked here, usually there is a piece of dirt here. It can be inside the rubber or one of these little holes here. You can actually blow here and the air should move freely here. Or if you want to check that your carburetor is not blocked in this hole, you need to take some little hose like that. Place the hose into that hole and blow it. You can feel it, I can feel it here that it's not blocked. So if you need to clean it, just clean it, remove the dirt, blow here, make sure the air moves freely here, then blow into that little hole down. And if you are sure that it's clear, you have washed everything, then you can install everything back. So first, place the rubber in position like that. Next, you have to prepare the petrol switch. First, place the black washer, then insert the other washer, the side like that. Place everything in like that. Now this is tricky job, you have to be very patient. To help myself, I will remove the overflow hose. So you need to make sure that the black washer goes first, then the silver washer. Place everything in it. It's not easy job. Now on the top of everything you need to place that cover, the metal cover. Install the screws. Now the trick is that you need to have both the inside washers perfectly on the middle. they need to be perfectly on the middle. See, that's on the middle. That's also on the middle. Now I will try to tie that slowly. Just one bolt little bit. Then the second. Again this one. And this one. As you can see, it is working properly. So now we just tied that. If you actually assemble it and you won't have friction, it means that this one of these washers is in bad position. They are not on the middle and they are stuck on the cover. So they have to be perfectly on the middle. See, ours is working. We can actually check if it's working properly. I will install a hose here. And blow. As you can see, I can blow now. And now we'll turn it to off. And now I can blow. So the switch is working, has proper friction. So that's how you actually assemble the petrol tap. It is tricky. You can replace it easily. Just if you buy new one, you can get new one. You can just remove these two screws and replace it. But you can also open it and clean it yourself. It just can be difficult to put it back everything together proper way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, see ya.